Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 8. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Right. Here you see, suppose this is the floor. This is the floor. Length is 5 meter long. It is 5 meter long and breadth is 4 meter wide. 4 meter wide. And a square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor, right? A square carpet 3 meter is covered, that is, it is 3 meter, it is also 3 meter. It is a square, right? Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. You have to find the area of this one, which is not covered. What you have to do? That means you have to find the total area of A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and if you minus this area, that is A, E, E, F, G, A, E, F, G, if you minus the cover area of A, E, F, G, then you will find the area of that is not carpeted, right? Therefore, here you can do in this way, that area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor is equal to length into breadth, length into breadth, and that is equal to 5 into 4 square meter, that comes to 5 for 20 square meter, right? Now area of the square carpet, area of the square carpet, area of the square carpet is equal to 3 into 3 square meter, right? That is, this is a 9 square meters. That is, it is covered by this square carpet. Therefore, area of the floor that is not carpeted, therefore we can find, therefore area of the floor, area of the floor area of the floor that is not carpeted, that is not carpeted, is equal to, you have to subtract this, that is 20 minus 9 square meter, and that it comes to 11 square meter. That is the answer, right? Again, once you are repeating, that is, first you have to find the area of the floor, that is length into breadth, that is 5 into 4, that comes to 20 square meter, and area of the square carpet is 3 into 3, it is a square, therefore 9 square meter. Therefore area of the floor that is not carpet, you have to subtract it, therefore 20 minus 9, that is 11 square meter. This is the solution of question number 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.